What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over some Coinbase app tips and tricks to help you make money in 2020 and beyond. Okay, so Coinbase, it's been a crazy 18 months for me. I've literally grown my account from a couple thousand to where it's at today. As you guys are watching this, if you could smash the like button on this video, I would definitely appreciate it. And obviously, if you haven't subscribed, please do that. Now, I'm going to go over some of the different ways that, I've been able to grow my account. I can't promise you the same results, but I can show you the methods that I was using to get to this point. Now, I do also want to go over some different tips for using Coinbase. Currently, Coinbase has 37 different cryptos that you can buy, sell, trade, and invest in. They've actually added quite a few new ones here in like the last 6 to 12 months. But when you're getting started, right, probably the most powerful thing you can do is set up recurring deposits for individual coins. Now, this is something that they've had for a while. I just don't think a lot of people take advantage of it. So, for example, let's say that you only have a certain amount of money that you can, put into any certain coin. When you kind of do this set and forget it method where you set up these recurring deposits, whether it's like, $10 a day for maybe an individual coin, maybe it's $5 a day, maybe it's 50, maybe it's 100, it's going to allow you to get money in your account faster. And when you kind of do this set and forget method, it just takes the effort having to do it yourself. Because I think most of us out there, I think we think we can do this on our own, but when you kind of set these systems up, it'll just help you grow your account faster. Now, obviously, the other thing I would recommend doing is researching any coins you're thinking about buying. You can do that here on Coinbase by checking the websites for individual coins like Ethereum. You could also head over to coinmarketcap.com. Definitely recommend checking these guys out. Basically what this site does, it pulls up different news for different coins, but it's also going to pull up all of the, coins out there, from the top one being Bitcoin all the way down. Now, I recommend staying within the top 20 coins, right? I feel like that's the safest way to get started. Another coin I would recommend checking out right now, not financial advice, but XRP. XRP, it's, been in like the 20 to 30 cent range for a while, but thinking it's probably time this coin is going to move. I actually own a lot of this coin, not on just Coinbase, but a lot of different exchanges and apps as well. But let's talk about, what I would recommend doing. So when you're getting started, I would recommend buying some Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum and just kind of get started that way. The way that I was able to grow my account, I use what's called swing trading. So this is where you buy into a coin, hold it for maybe like a day, maybe a few hours, maybe a week, maybe a month. And basically what you're trying to do is make a certain percentage. So the basic attention token, you can see like a lot of divots in the chart here. So what I would do was, I'd have whatever it would be, maybe like $2,000. I would, buy in at 18 cents, wait till it would go up to like 21 cents, 22 cents, make whatever 10, 15%, take that money and then rinse and repeat. I would also do that with Chainlink back when it was like in the, $1 to kind of like $4 range. I would kind of flip that coin a lot too. Now, swing trading is, something that you could practice and get good at, but it is what allowed me to kind of grow my account to where it's at today. And then, of course, as far as, some coins I would recommend, like I said, check out Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, buy a little bit of those. And then a couple other coins I really like. I like Orchid quite a bit. Now, this is a VPN-based cryptocurrency. It's actually the only VPN crypto out there. At its all-time high, it hit $1 not too long ago, but I think if you can get this coin, basically under 50 cents, you're willing to hold on to it for a while, I definitely see it going up quite a bit. And then, of course, Stellar XLM. This coin's got a lot of partnerships, IBM, Samsung Mobile, a ton of other people, and its all-time high was around like 90 cents. You can see it's under 10 cents. So if you can get that coin under 10 cents, I think it's a really good buy as well. But anyways, it's been a crazy 18 months for me on Coinbase. I'm going to keep pumping out videos on Coinbase because I think crypto is just an awesome topic right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about using Coinbase or the method of swing trading, feel free to message me below in the comments. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.